now return to the Big Panther and Son.
Relax, Rocco. You're only here for a checkup.
But I feel fine, Doc. Ready to go 15 rounds.
Well, your heart's certainly in fighting shape. Now we'll take a few x-rays, minus your boxing gloves.
Hang on, kiddo. We've got to get to the doctor's office pronto.
Right, Murphle. We will accompany Rocco to alleviate his apprehension at his clinical examination by a physician.
I'm glad that bout with the doc's over. Sure, and I did it without the other Panthers in my corner. They must be at the clubhouse.
There's Dr. Marcus Welfie's office.
Yeah, I bet Rocco will be glad to see us.
Oh, here are Rocco's x-rays. Oh, and your mechanic is on line 1.
Well, Fritz, how's my old sports car doing?
Oh, it's in bad shape, Herr Doctor. In fact, it's kaput.
Oh, that's a nasty sore throat, young man. Just have a seat and the doctor will see you.
We didn't come to see the doctor, ma'am. We're here to see our friend Rocco.
Oh, Mr. Rocco has already left. In fact, the doctor is examining his x-rays right now.
It confirms my worst fears. The body is completely worn out. Without a new pump, it won't last long.
I can't believe my ears. Rocco looks so healthy.
Oh, this is Syrian or cereal. Serious.
Yeah, without an oil pump. Nein, I will order a new one, mein Herr.
So we're looking at 2 days, a week at most.
Oh no, Rocco isn't long for this world. The overall outlook for our fellow Panther is grim. Oh, Rocco.
Excuse me, but are you sure the doctor is looking at Rocco's x-rays?
See for yourself. I'm dead certain.
An unfortunately appropriate choice of words.
You said it, Murphle. We can't let Rocco know that we know he's a goner. These presents should cheer up Rocco. These are for you, Rocco.
I think you jumped the bell, gang. My birthday's not for 3 months.
Yeah, you won't be around. We just want to show you how happy we are to have you for a friend.
We love you, Rocco.
Wow, new gloves. Thanks, Pinky. I'm floored.
Try them on this new improved punching bag, Rocco.
You're a real pal, Pinky.
Go easy. You'll have plenty of time to break it in. I mean, enjoy yourself.
Look how brave Rocco is, acting as if nothing's wrong so he won't alarm us.
Take that. Gee, gang, this new bag is a knockout.
Rocco, are you okay?
Never felt better, kid.
Well, how about taking a rest, Rocco?
I'm getting carried away by all this attention. Boy, this sure beats hitting the canvas, gang.
There, all tucked in.
I inflate my fluff adjustable pillow for your maximum comfort. Perhaps you'd like to elevate your extremities.
I think she means, do you want your feet popped? Or stopped? Propped up?
Thanks, Murphle. I don't mind being KO'd by boxing magazines, especially when they feature my hero, Max Force. Max Force! I almost forgot. His championship boxing match is on TV in an hour.
Where do you think you're going?
I want to catch the Max Force bout on the tube, and there's no TV here.
Don't move. We'll be right back.
Boy, the guys are sure acting a little punchy today. Attaboy, Maxie. Give him a right, give him a mix-up, and a left. Oh, look at that fancy footwork. Exciting, huh, guys? That other guy's not gonna be around long. Yeah, and Maxie sure took care of his opponent. Winner and still world champion, Max Force. One of these days, I'm gonna meet him in person.
That doesn't give us much time. And Rocco just idolizes you, Mr. Force. Well, it would mean so much if you could pay him a visit before the final bell.
That
That's the saddest story I ever heard, kids. Your pal Rocco sounds like a real champ. I'd be proud to pay my respects.
We cannot express the overabundance of our appreciation at your acquiescence. What Chana means is thanks.
Max Force? I must be dreaming.
It's no dream, Rocco. He's real.
I'll get pictures for the Panther scrapbook.
Attaboy, Rocco. Lead with your left and keep your guard up.
Wow, breaking out with a champ. I'm having the time of my life.
You're right, Murphle. At least he's going out swinging.
You're a great contender, kid. Keep your chin up. So long, Rocco.
All this excitement has induced feverish conditions that require resumption of your supine position.
In other words, time to lie down, kiddo. We'll show the champ out.
Thanks, Mr. Force. Your visit sure meant a lot to poor Rocco.
Had such a mean left jab, too. I can hardly believe he's getting ready to leave the ring.
Gee, the champ's still here. Maybe I should get one more autograph.
We heard it straight from the doctor's mouth, champ. Rocco has only 2 days left to live.
2 days? Poor me.
Dr. Wealthy, are you here to give Rocco some treatments?
Treatments? I just came by to tell him about his tests. He's in perfect shape.
2 days to my final round. That's why my pals were being so nice.
Hey, you want to buy a lottery ticket? You might win $1 million.
Why bother? I won't be around to spend it. Gotta get all my allowance money out of the bank fast. Just time for a final fling. Yeah, think I'll give a big party for all my Panther pals. At least Rocco's gonna go out in style.
Wait till Rocco hears how we misdiagnosed the doctor's diagnosis.
Yeah, the laugh's on us. Oh no, Rocco's gone.
You've got to find him and explain it's all a mistake.
Yeah, before he does something rash.
I'd like to KO my account here. You know, flatten it. Take out all my cash.
The shopping cart bandit! That's me! Out of the way, kid! I'm taking all the cash! This is a stick-up! Now fill this cart up to the brim with lean green. I'm in a hurry.
Yeah, well, I'm in a bigger hurry, and I was here first, so scram.
Out of the way, punk!
You don't scare me, pal. I'm facing the final bell anyhow.
What's going on in the bank?
Shopping cart bandit's robbing it!
Take that. I'm whacked.
That sounds like Rocco. Rocco, stop! That guy's dangerous.
He's not so tough. Besides, I'm a goner anyway.
On the contrary, Rocco, we misconstrued the information concerning your premature mortality.
In other words, there's nothing wrong with you.
Nothing wrong with me.
There's soon gonna be. We'll see about that.
Ooh, there's a left jab, a right cross. What an uppercut. Couldn't have done better myself.
Boxer's foil bank robbery. Here's another for your collection, Rocco.
Aw, thanks, Pinky. You know, I think the clubhouse would make a swell Rocco museum. People could touch the gloves I used to club in the shopping cart bandit. I could sign autographs. Maybe write a book about how brave and tough I was to KO that crook.
Well, Max Force lent a hand for a glove, too.
Yeah, he helped a little.
Perhaps Rocco is sick after all, with a bad case of swelled headitis. Look!
You're right, kiddo. Hey, Rocco, today's your dentist appointment.
The dentist? Oh, no. Please, guys, don't let me face him alone. Please, come with me, please.
Sure, Rocco. What are friends for?
Big, brave Rocco.